Ambya Paari Polo. In the last video, we had seen how to treat mango kernels so that they can be used to make various dishes. Now for the recipe to make a tasty breakfast dish with the kernels. Ambya Paari Polo. Here I have some leftover dosa batter. To this I shall be adding the Paari paste. I shall take one kernel, 2 red chilies, a few peppercorns and a pinch of salt. As the batter already has salt, and make a paste with a little water. You can add it to leftover batter or make fresh batter. Recipe for which has been given in the description below. This paste will be enough for this much batter. Now to add the smooth paste to the batter. Also add a quarter teaspoon haldi and a little hing. You can also add haldi and salt to the leftover kernels and store in an airtight container and refrigerate to use later. Mix well and now you are ready to make polos. As usual, pour the batter on a hot tawa. Spread it and let cook.
सर्वांके के चॅनलांतू स्वागत. आता मी शे व्हिडिओज चड केल्या नसर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिखसाणीचे, मिठसाणीचे, गोडसाणीचे, रंदेई, अडगई हे सगळं व्हिडिओस तुम्ही एक व्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे म्हणटा शेअर करका. व्हिडिओस लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Flip over and after a few seconds, your polo is ready. Make likewise with the rest of the batter. Crispy polos or soft ones as per your choice. Enjoy these Ambya Paari polos with any dips that you prefer. As usual, do like and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.